When you cook at home and want to do it faster and easier, the Deluxe Air Fryer lets you make lots of foods without extra oil and fat. And while it may look like one countertop appliance, it acts like three: an air fryer, rotisserie, and dehydrator all in one. We've made ours a larger size, keeping families in mind. It's easy to get started because it has 6 pre-programmed settings, 2 custom settings, and the accessories you need right out of the box. You can make dinners, snacks, even desserts with the push of a button. With the air fry setting, make homemade chicken wings and heat frozen foods like mozzarella sticks. The rotisserie setting lets you cook up to a 4-pound chicken to golden brown perfection. The dehydrate setting turns your favorite fruits and veggies into snacks like apple chips, sun-dried tomato chips, or my personal favorite, pineapple chips. You can even make homemade jerky. And why wait to preheat your oven when you can use the roast setting for delicious meals like crispy cod and asparagus? The cooking trays allow for the best possible airflow, so your vegetables are tender and meats are perfectly cooked. The bake setting can make light, crispy pie crust, breads, and more. When it's left overnight, the reheat setting warms foods like pizza without a soggy crust. This is my favorite setting. Seriously, you will not believe how your leftovers come out crisp and warm. The custom setting lets you take control of the time and temperature to make just about anything you'd make in a fryer, while the rotate setting turns the rotisserie and basket accessories. Now that we've covered the settings, let's start cooking. I'm going to use the air fry setting to make chicken wings. Here's 1 pound of chicken wings that I've already patted dry with paper towels. Add baking powder, salt, and pepper. We're gonna go ahead and combine this together and let it sit for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna place the wings on the trays. I went ahead and already sprayed the trays with oil. Perfect. Now I'm gonna place them in my air fryer. You wanna place them on the top and middle rack. Turn the wheel and select the air fry setting. Adjust the time to 30 minutes and press the wheel to start. Switch the trays halfway through for even browning. You'll hear beeps as a reminder. Oh, you can hear them sizzling. Now I'm gonna toss them in this delicious hot sauce. They're so crispy, you can even hear while I'm tossing them how crispy they are. All that from just a tablespoon of oil. Wow, these look and smell amazing. When everything is cool, you're ready to clean. The removable shield, cooking trays, basket, rotisserie set, and retrieval tool all go in the dishwasher. Wipe the inside and outside with a damp cloth and then wipe everything dry. The door even comes off for easy cleaning too. Then hand wash the drip tray. The more you use your Deluxe Air Fryer, the more you'll taste the difference in your favorite foods made fresh at home.